Hello there, welcome back. So I got a 2012 Chrysler 200. So what happened, the customer state, the connection won't stay attached to the ignition coil. So I'm going to show you a trick what you can do for it to stay. Just a simple trick, guys, that I think you all should know if you're working on a car. So this is a brake cleaner scan, and all you need is one of these straw from it. Let me show you. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna measure the length across, and you're gonna cut off piece. I'm gonna show you what to do next. Okay, so after cut off a little piece, you're gonna place it right behind this piece right here. Just slide it in like this, guys. Just like that, and put it on. You hear that click? Now it stay. So if you find it very useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.